Welcome everyone to another interesting DSA problem which is titled as maximum units on a truck. So let's try to understand what is the problem statement. So you are given a list of list which is named as box types. So inside the list there is another list, internal list. The elements of that internal list, one represents the number of boxes, and the following number represents number of units that particular box contains. And the objective is that there is a truck which having a truck size which is given. You can assign this many number of boxes, and you should assign these boxes such that the total units the truck is going to contain would be maximum. So one of the natural ways is that we should always fill those box types that has more unit content in them. For example, this particular box type, even though it's only existing once, it has 3 units. So we should fill this particular box types. Then followed by these two. Then 1 from here. So it's like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 from here. 1, 2, 1. So in that case, 3 boxes would be coming here. This is 2, 2 into 2, then 1. So if you add everything, 3 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 8. This would be the output what we need to return. So how can we do that? So what we can do is that the list of list, that is the box type given it as, we can sort it based on decreasing order of the units of the boxes. Then we can iterate and we can keep on adding until the truck size is going to get exhausted. So let's try to solve it using straight away with the code. So class solution, and the method is nothing but maximum units. What are the arguments? Okay, this box type is given, which is nothing but list of integer, and truck size is given, which is nothing but an integer, and you are expected to return the total number of units, that is another integer. So first let's sort based on the decreasing fashion of the number of units. So box types dot sort, we can use the key lambda expression, key equal to lambda x such that x1 reverse, because it's a decreasing fashion, then we need to give it as true. Then let's start with few of the variables which we need to use later stage. Total units initially to 0, then 4 boxes comma units in box types. So before beginning, we should always make sure that the truck size has not been exhausted. So if truck size has been exhausted, which we are going to reduce as the truck is going to fill, if that is going to exhausted, then we should break it. Okay, now let's decide how many of them we can take. So that depends on the boxes and the truck size. The take at any step would be depends on whatever be the minimum between the boxes and the truck size. For example, if the truck size is 4 and the boxes is 2, yes, we can choose to fill two boxes into truck size, and eventually truck size would reduce to another two. If the truck size is 1 and number of boxes 3, we cannot fill all the 3 boxes. We will be able to fill only one box. So that is nothing but minimum between boxes and truck size. That's what we are going to do it. Then once we have decided how many we can take, then the total units, we can count it like the take multiplied by the current unit, like this current unit nothing but the box types unit, take multiplied by unit. Then reduce the truck size based on now how many we have taken. Truck size has been reduced by how many we have taken. At the end, we just need to return the total units. Just total units. So what is the time complexity and the space complexity here? We are sorting it here. So this would be order of n log n, and then we are iterating here order of n here again. But since this is going to dominate, we can just write the time complexity order of n log n. Space complexity, we are not utilizing any extra space or anything, so it's order of 1. I hope you understood this problem statement, and thank you for listening.